Good Saturday morning, everyone, and welcome back to Wake Up Charlotte Weekend. Taking live pictures here from Ballantyne, Monroe, Lylesville there in Yancey County and Concord. It really depends on where you are today. It's a partly to mostly cloudy afternoon, but a lot of sunshine still at times as we're tracking two progressing storm systems. The first is a warm front that's right now working its way out of Georgia into the upstate of South Carolina and into western North Carolina. Eventually a cold front rocking and rolling through the region tomorrow, and that's what's bringing us our risk of severe storms tomorrow. Now, so far, what this system has done is brought light to moderate rain to the mountains. Now, eventually, some of those scattered showers are reaching the Piedmont, but this will be especially toward the second half of the afternoon. We could see a few sprinkles by the latter half of the morning, but again, especially for the afternoon hours. But let's talk strong to severe storms. We haven't had the risk of this in quite some time. So if you have outdoor plans that you had planned for tomorrow, you want to change those to inside. Even though we will have breaks in the rain, we'll have heavy rain, gusty winds. It will not be a day where you want to be outside. Also, if you have loose outdoor items or things like Christmas decorations that you absolutely do not want to blow away, get messed up, you don't want to lose them, today is the day to bring those inside. Wind gusts, non-thunderstorm winds, so just generally as the front is moving through, as well as within those strong storms, are going to be our primary risk. It's also a low risk of a quick spin up, not out of the question. What we know that we have is a lot of wind shear, instability, and energy. What we know we also have is that strong cold front. What we're question marking right now, I guess it's not a word, but what we are still what's up in the air is whether or not we have sunshine. A quicker cold front, which what has looked like this morning, will mean lesser sunshine or no sunshine at all. Lesser sunshine means not as much instability, which lessens our risk locally of seeing some of those strong to severe storms. And I've seen this so far this morning with the thunderstorm fuel. It doesn't mean we see none, but we just see lesser of it as it really stays mostly over on the East Coast. This has been the same situation with the tornado parameter. When this is a 0.1, 0.2, that means a tiny bit of spin, but it's really not impressive. And we've consistently seen this so far this morning. But when we see numbers like what's shaded in yellow there over toward Fayetteville, it's a little bit higher. And so far this morning, things have stayed consistent based on what Brad saw last night. So as we progress through the rest of your Saturday, again, more clouds, a few scattered showers, but it's tomorrow is the main event. By the morning time frame, we are going to see some pockets of heavy rain, even some of those non-thunderstorm gusty winds. But the first line comes in late morning, early afternoon. Again, this is heavy rain thunderstorms, but not the front. The front, it was what brings our best chance to see some of those strong to severe storms. And then on the back edge of it, that northwest flow brings a chance for a wintry mix and even some snow up toward the mountains. That measurable snowfall could be a decent amount for portions of those higher elevations near the Tennessee border. Now, in terms of a rainfall accumulation, 1 to 2 inches at a maximum for most of the area. Minor flooding possible, especially in some of those bands that set up over the same period of time. But because we're so drought stricken, at this point, I'm not necessarily highly concerned about that potential for widespread flash flooding. Now, after a wild weekend, of course, we have warm temperatures today, the storms tomorrow. Most of this upcoming week is pretty calm. We have overnight lows in the 30s most nights, daytime highs in the 50s most days, which is pretty typical for December standards.